Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a video that is a little bit different. It's filmed a little different, I guess. I'm trying something out, and I just have been doing the same thing for forever. And I know that for me is like my comfort zone, but I'm just trying to switch things up, change some things up, and have fun. So today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases in my messy office, which you may have saw on my most recent vlog, which I will link down below. And I do have another daily vlog coming out probably this week, if not next week. I already filmed it, I just need to edit it. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. We have 3 kits, as well as 2 vinyls, a foil bundle, color of the week, and also I think like 50 deco stickers for your reading journal or whatever journal you use, which I actually just got in the mail. Another journal, this one is from Notebook Therapy as well, and I'm going to be starting to do bullet journaling for my everyday tasks, and I think that's going to be so fun. So if you want to see more videos on that, let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and get into the new releases. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the journaling deco stickers till last, just in case you aren't interested in those. But let's go ahead into the releases for this week. So first things first is we do have some vinyl stickers. The first one here is going to be a little shark. Isn't it so cute? These are on clear, so they don't have that white border. They just have a clear border, and they are perfect for putting on your water bottles or anything else. And I love these teeny sizes, as well as a Miguel sticker from Coco, which is kind of a little bit of a sneak into the pop mystery for this week. I do also have a foil bundle this week, which is a rose gold in the pixie dust format, and this is going to go with so much, especially in the fall time. I am obsessed with it, and I think that this is going to be really pretty with a lot of the darker colored kits. Think the like enchanted, I think it came out last week, the enchanted like fairy tale. I don't really know. One that came out last week. I think that one's going to be excellent. Also, you're gonna have to mind me on, I'm used to like looking here while I'm filming, but I'm gonna try and look at you. But that is going to be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday, so definitely get your hands on that then to save a couple of doll hairs, as well as the indigo, which is a color from the new Coco set, and that will be available on Wednesday. That was the other thing I wanted to tell you. The whole idea here is that I wanted you to be able to shop when the new release video came out, so you can like pause this and start adding things to your cart, y'all. Everything's up already. If I do anything that's like limited, I do have like some destash boxes to do soon. I'll like put it for like an ahead of time, but I'm thinking about doing new release videos on Wednesday. It would work out so much better for my schedule, if I'm being honest with you, and then being able to say shop now. So this is available now, and it's on special pricing through Sunday, so definitely get your hands on it if you are a doodle color of the week collector, because you can save a couple bucks. Then let's get into the kits for this week. First things first is we do have Witches Gather, which is a really pretty new Darcy art. Very dark and spooky, but I do think that this one would actually look really good with the foil bundle. Like with the like pinky red tones. I think this would look excellent with this, but it's really pretty. Like very beautiful, and I love it. I also think this would look really pretty with champagne lights or gold or even rose, sparkly black, burgundy, any of those colors. But I'm obsessed. I love Darcy art, and I'm glad that Darcy is back to drawing and feeling well enough to, because Darcy art is very everything. I actually have a mystery coming soon that is Darcy art, and I'm very excited because I try and save like very Darcy themes for Darcy art whenever I do customs, and I'm very excited about the theme that is coming. Also comes in mini kit, of course. And then let me show you the add-on options. So we do have Doodle as well as Doodle 2. There is the Label and Label 2, as well as Ombre and Pattern, of course. And then we have Fashion as well. And then there is, of course, all 6 Scribbler options. So you're set. You're set. It's going to be fantastic. Definitely using this one this year. I think another matte gold. I feel like mattes always like give me Darcy vibes. Matte gold or like a matte lilac, a matte burgundy, or even a gold hollow would be fun with this one, I think. So those are my suggestions. Okay, another fall kit here. We have Merlot, and this is Jess art, and I think it looks so stinking cute. I actually have another Jess art that I did plan for this week, but this one came out a little bit later, which kind of goes into, it's going to work out a lot better for me to film this day, if it's okay with you. I know. I've been doing this for a long time. Monday is new release day, but let's see what happens. This is coming out next week, which is the fall version of the wedding art. I know a lot of y'all wanted that, and I was like, I'm just gonna save it for fall. It's coming. It's coming. It was gonna come this week, but I had the Witches Gather art. So this one here is Merlot, dress art, super cute, winery. I'm not big on wine, but Nick would love to go, my husband would love to go to like a winery with me. So I think that I'm going to save this for when that happens one day, because I'm fine with going. I just won't be drinking. So you know what I mean? Is the ultimate collection there, and then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the different skin tone options for that hand holding the wine glass. This kit, as all of the kits this week, are available right now, first of all, in ultimate and mini. So ultimate, mini, and then let me show you these add-on options. They are in a wild order. So we do have Doodle and Doodle 2. We have Label as well as Label 2 and 3 if you want to make it a little bit darker. These are the colors that you could pull in to do so. Perfect for fall time. We do also have the ombre and the pattern, as well as fam boxes. So we have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as well as all 6 scribbler options. So we have that. Also, I'm wearing a spooky shirt. I don't know if you saw in the beginning clip, but I feel very in the spirit of Halloween, oddly this year, because normally I'm not a big Halloween gal. Also keep forgetting that I have 50 deco stickers to show you, so let me speed this on up. So Pop Mystery this week is going to be a new Coco art. This is by Clip Art Kits, and this is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. I asked Hannah what she thought needed to be in Coco art, because Coco is her favorite Pixar movie. She's not big on Pixar movies like at all, really, so it's saying a lot that she even has a favorite anyways. But I like Coco. Coco's not my favorite. I feel like I always cry at the end, but I think that my kids would like it, especially Theo, because Theo loves music so much, and I feel like he would love like the guitar, because he's like all into like Taylor Swift and her guitar, and I think that I want to try and watch it this year with him specifically. I don't know if Bennett or Lila would be very into it, but I think my Theodore would really love Coco. So that is the Coco collection. This will be available now through Sunday. It'll be weird saying that. Doodle and Doodle 2, as well as Label. There is ombre, there is pattern, and then there is all 6 scribbler options, of course. So those are all of the main releases for this week, and then we're going to go ahead and move on into the Deco stickers, which are all on matte paper. So these are the normal releases, and then let's go into the Deco stickers. I'm going to just go ahead and show you this. This is kind of a lot of stickers. So these are all on matte paper, and they are perfect for your reading journal. I am going to be doing a reading journal flip through, but I have used a ton of these stickers in my reading journal, and I am obsessed with them. I think they are so beautiful, and I just am here for it. They're all kind of watercolor-esque for the most part, and a lot of them have like little teeny tiny kind of like color matching stars throughout. So this one is Keys, Cookies version 1, Cookies version 2. Some of them I might have the extra one in here. Movies version 1, Princess Academia 1 and 2. I used this one on my front page here, and I think it turned out so pretty. Love that. This is Bloomsicle art. And then there is Sports version 2, which I might do more Bloomsicle, because Bloomsicle just reminds me like of all the watercolor vibes. Summer Fashion 1, 2, 3, 4. Wedding version 1 and 2. 3 and 4, as well as Artist 1 and 2 and 3, Books version 1, 2, Candy Heart, Clouds, which I use this on my 5-star reads page. I think actually this one's already out, but I have an extra one in here. Coffee, Cottage version 1, Cottage version 2, Crayon, Crystals, Dragons, Floral version 1, Floral version 2, Gummy Candy, Houseplants, Kisses, Leaf 1, Leaf 2, which are kind of bigger, Lemons, again, I think that one's already out, London, Medieval, Mythical version 1, Seashells version 1 and 2, Speech version 1, 2, 3, which I'll have more speech bubbles like with like a black outline coming soon, Splatter version 1 and version 2, those look a little spooky, Spring version 1, Spring version 2, Strawberry, That one's already out. Succulents, already out. As well as Summer 1, Summer 2. Well, technically all of these are already out. Travel 1, Travel 2, Witching Hour. And I think that that's everything. I think. There might be other ones that go up that I just don't have. Who knows? But these are all of the deco sheets that are going to be released. Now. They're up now. They're all up now. Everything's up now. You can shop now. So, that's everything for this week. I hope y'all enjoyed all of this week's new releases. I don't know what my favorite thing is because I do fully plan on using all 3 of these kits, and I've already used so many of the deco stickers in my journal already. And like I said, you could use them in your reading journal, but you could also use them in your regular bullet journal or just as like deco stickers wherever you like, which I think is so fun. And I've just been so hype on my reading journal. I've been posting a lot on my Instagram page as well as my personal Instagram, which is always down below. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Happy shopping because everything is available now. And I think that that's everything.